So we just canned Italian, authentic Italian, homemade minestrone soup. This has all kinds of vegetables in it. Um, it is from a generational recipe about 6 generations old in my family. And I have made a way to preserve it. Didn't alter the recipe at all. And I canned it so to make it shelf stable. So this is going to be awesome. It looks amazing. You can see the beans still, the vegetables. It looks just like it did in the pot. So learn how I did this. Look at my channel, The Canning Nana, and learn how I did this out of leftover pot roast, you guys. So I made pot roast and I did this leftover. Oh, and watch for the giveaway. We're doing that tomorrow. First day. Every day a winner for the next 20 days. Thanks for watching.